They're tiny, they're powerful, and they're going to blow your mind. From a palm-sized robot dog to a gadget that captures real-world colors, these aren't just cool mini gadgets, they're ones you'll instantly want. Stick around because number 7 is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Number 1. Mini Pupper, the tiny open-source robot dog. Imagine having your very own mini robotic dog that can walk, navigate, and even perform dances. Mini Pupper, created by Mangdang, is exactly that. A compact, open-source quadruped robot perfect for STEM learning, robotics education, or just a really awesome desk companion. It runs on ROS 2, supports OpenCV, and even integrates with generative AI like ChatGPT and Gemini. You can program it, modify its shell, and make it respond to voice or gestures. It's like having a DIY Boston Dynamics robot, just pocket-sized. Number 2. Roll Measure, smart digital tape measure. Gone are the days of bulky tape measures. Roll Measure is a compact, wheel-based digital measuring tool that lets you roll over any surface, curved or flat, and instantly get an accurate measurement on the built-in digital display. It's perfect for tailors, interior designers, DIY enthusiasts, or even just measuring that new couch. Its size fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it an essential EDC gadget for creators and craftsmen. Number 3. Plank, the futuristic mini keyboard. Plank is a 40% mechanical keyboard that's surprisingly powerful despite its minimal key layout. It's designed with ortholinear keys, meaning all keys are in perfect alignment rather than staggered, making typing fast and efficient once you adapt to it. Loved by coders, writers, and mechanical keyboard fanatics, the Plank is fully customizable and fits easily into any bag. If you're looking to level up your keyboard game in a tiny, travel-friendly form, Plank delivers. Number 4. Pocket 4, the ultimate mini gaming console. The Pocket 4 is a palm-sized powerhouse for retro gamers and emulation fans. It plays classic titles from multiple consoles, featuring a vivid display, responsive controls, and support for modern emulators. Despite its small size, it packs enough power to run games from systems like PSP, Dreamcast, and more. With USB-C charging, expandable storage, and sleek design, it's a dream come true for gamers on the go. Number 5. Magnetic Fan, cool breeze in your pocket. Need instant relief from summer heat? The Magnetic Fan is a pocket-sized cooling gadget that magnetically clips onto your shirt collar or sits on your desk, delivering a quiet yet powerful airflow. With USB-C charging and 3-speed settings, it's perfect for commuting, festivals, or working from home. The design is slick, minimalist, and surprisingly powerful for something that fits in your hand. Number 6. Loki Nav, personal navigation reimagined. Think of Loki Nav as your personal navigation genie. This mini GPS device uses advanced mapping and real-time updates to guide you through cities, trails, or even indoor locations. With a rugged yet compact build, it's ideal for adventurers, bikers, hikers, and travelers who need precise navigation without depending solely on a phone signal. It's the smart compass of the future. Number 7. Sun Booster, mini solar charger with a key. The Sun Booster is a foldable, ultra-compact solar charger that can juice up your phone or power bank using nothing but sunlight. Despite its mini size, it offers high-efficiency solar cells and fast charging support. Perfect for outdoor lovers, hikers, campers, or emergency kits. This eco-friendly gadget proves that sustainable tech can also be portable and powerful. Number 8. Xiaomi Modular Optical System, smart glasses redefined. Leave it to Xiaomi to innovate beyond expectation. Their modular optical system packs smart features into stylish modular eyewear. The frames can be customized with different lenses or smart modules like cameras, AR displays, or health sensors. This futuristic eyewear is perfect for productivity, entertainment, and even fitness tracking, making it one of the most advanced and cool mini gadgets you'll want to try. Number 9. Switch Game Card Case, tiny organizer for big fun. Gamers know the struggle of carrying multiple cartridges. The Switch Game Card Case is a sleek, durable, and ultra-compact case that holds multiple Nintendo Switch games in a protective shell. It's magnetically sealed, shockproof, and smaller than a credit card, perfect for tossing in your pocket or bag during travel. Number 10. Powerbeat, the portable beat maker. Powerbeat is a pocket-sized music production studio for beat makers, musicians, and DJs. It includes drum pads, synth controls, and loop triggers, all in a mini setup that syncs with mobile devices or computers. Whether you're laying down ideas on the bus or jamming during a break, Power Beat turns any moment into a musical opportunity. Number 11. Valmina, your pocket-sized skincare tech. Valmina is a revolutionary mini beauty gadget that brings spa-level skincare treatment right to your pocket. Designed with nano-atomization and microcurrent technology, it helps moisturize, tone, and refresh your face within seconds. Its elegant design and USB charging make it perfect for daily use, travel, or even a quick glow-up before a meeting. Compact yet powerful, Valmina proves that beauty tech doesn't need to be bulky to be effective. Number 12. ZenFlow, the mini meditation companion. In a fast-paced world, ZenFlow brings calm in the palm of your hand. This pocket-sized gadget emits rhythmic vibrations, ambient soundscapes, and gentle lights to help you relax, meditate, or fall asleep. Whether you're at a crowded airport or a stressful workday, ZenFlow's minimalist design and guided breathing features help you reset and regain your focus, anytime, anywhere. Number 13. FlexBar, portable, flexible tripod on the go. FlexBar is a flexible, pocket-sized tripod that can grip, wrap, or stand on virtually any surface. Whether you're vlogging, shooting time lapses, or snapping stable selfies, FlexBar adjusts to the moment. It's super lightweight, fits easily in your pocket, and works with phones, GoPros, and compact cameras. A must-have for travelers, content creators, and spontaneous adventurers. Number 14. Hunt Pro, mini tactical flashlight redefined. The Hunt Pro is a compact, ultra-bright tactical flashlight that's tough as nails. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's waterproof, rechargeable, and features multiple brightness levels, including a strobe for emergencies. Despite its mini size, it can light up an entire trail or room. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing your emergency kit, Hunt Pro is an essential EDC gadget. Number 15. Pero, smart gesture ring for control on the go. Purr is like having a tiny remote for your digital life on your finger. This wearable ring allows you to control devices with simple hand gestures, swipe through presentations, adjust volume, scroll web pages, or switch apps, all with a flick of your hand. Compatible with phones, tablets, and PCs, Pero is perfect for professionals, presenters, and accessibility-focused users who want a more intuitive, hands-free way to interact with their tech. Number 16. ColorPick Pen, the artist's dream tool. ColorPick Pen is a magical gadget for designers, artists, and creatives. It can scan any real-world color, like the red of a rose or the blue of the sky, and instantly replicate it as ink for drawing or writing. It combines a color sensor, refillable ink system, and Bluetooth connectivity in one compact design. Whether you're sketching ideas on the go or matching brand colors precisely, ColorPick makes it simple and fun. Number 17. Scythe Blade, mini electric razor for precision grooming. The Scythe Blade is a sleek, compact grooming device built for speed and precision. It offers ultra-close shaving with zero irritation and fits neatly in your travel pouch or even your pocket. With USB-C fast charging, water-resistant design, and titanium blades, this mini electric razor is ideal for daily touch-ups, travel grooming, or emergency-style fixes. Number 18. Pocket Blanket, full-size comfort in a tiny case. Whether you're at a park, beach, festival, or camping trip, the Pocket Blanket gives you a full-size, waterproof blanket that folds down to palm size. It's tear-resistant, sand-proof, and packs into a tiny pouch with a keyring attachment. The design even includes built-in corner stakes and weighted corners to prevent it from blowing away. It's one of those gadgets you don't know you need until you start using it everywhere. Number 19. Macro Dock, mini hub for maximum connectivity. Macro Dock is the minimalist dream docking station. It's a small USB-C hub that adds HDMI, USB-A, SD card, and charging ports to your laptop or tablet, all in a sleek aluminum casing that fits in your pocket. Ideal for content creators, students, and remote workers who need versatility on the go. Macro Dock is the ultimate space-saving gadget that turns your setup into a powerhouse. Number 20. Doze, smart sleep gadget in your palm. Doze is a mini device designed to help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Using subtle vibrations, relaxing tones, and guided breathing techniques, Doze trains your mind and body to unwind naturally. Its discreet size and USB rechargeability make it a must-have for insomniacs, travelers, or anyone who wants to improve their sleep without medication or bulky tech. Alright, tech lovers, which of these mini gadgets is going straight into your cart? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome gadget drops, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss the next big small thing. Catch you in the next one.